So I gotta find the hole. Oh, I guess that's the hole. Am I gonna be able to fix that? I don't think so. I don't think so at all. How did that happen? I thought it was a little thing here, but I guess not. Everything else is fine. Yeah, it's not that thing. It's here. All over. Wow. All over the rim? How did that happen? What? So, how do I fix this, guys? You let me know. What? Look at that. How is this possible? Well, I can't fix that. Does that mean I need a new rim? I don't understand. This was fine. All of a sudden it's not. I don't remember hitting a humongous pothole. This one is also going down very slowly. Is it the same problem? Alright, so what should I do? You let me know. Bring it to the mechanic, stupid. Oh, well, I could have thought of that. Thanks for nothing.